Let me quickly walk through what a trust engine install looks like. So we have 6 phases overall, and obviously they vary from one company to the other about the sizes also of the company. So if you have a big sales team, typically longer, more complex. If you already have a marketing team internally, can be accelerated. If you want some done for you, we can support this as well, so it can be accelerated. So there are a couple of things, but first and foremost, the most important part is alignment. Getting everyone from all the business leaders to sales to marketing aligned, really saying, okay, why are we doing now this content? What type of content will it be? And yes, we are all in, we understand why, and sales team knows that they will participate and help with their expertise. Now, the second part is the engine install, right? So that's from our side, setting up the whole tool for you and with your input, adjust it to really become your internal expert. Obviously, over time, you will feed it with more and more knowledge. But at the first, we need to set it up with the basic knowledge from everything you have. And eventually we can feed it with, all the details about each and every sales rep that should be an author of an article, about how they write, their tone, but all your handbooks of machines or software, etc. Now, the third step is really start creating your first content pieces. The agent that is installed for you is trained on the best frameworks of world-class articles. These were the articles that drove exponential growth for other companies in the past. Something that rarely happens, but this is the magic framework that will make sure your people, your readers, your potential customers engage with the content. Now, the fourth point is sales enablement. Looking with your sales team, what does the sales process look like today? Do you use content? If so, what and how? Optimizing it and inject the right content pieces into your sales process and help sales members learn the assignment selling approach. So meaning, how can we effectively use the right content to drive leads faster from one step to the other in our sales process and really become this master educator in our sales process. Now, the fifth point, next one, is looking at the website right now. Does it resonate with the Rapid Trust framework? Do we address fears and worries of customers online? Do we talk in their voice? Is it very clear what we do? Is there a clear call to action? Do we make it easy for people to say, hey, now I know what they do, I'd like to know more? Do we make it easy so that they can take action? And the sixth step of the whole Trust Engine install is to make sure everyone now knows how to run this so we can hand it over. And also plan your future expansion of the engine, because it doesn't end once you install the basic engine. This basic engine is your knowledge base, your writing agent for top-notch world-class articles, but you can expand this system with additional agents like sales coaching agents, like social media experts that really create from everything you do already the post, and you can push it to automatically post on your social media channels with a feedback loop of you receiving messages. Hey, is this a good post? Yes or no, give me feedback. You give feedback, it posts automatically. You can go to another level of posting your blog articles fully automatically online. So all this can be discussed at a later stage, making sure everyone knows how to run the Trust Engine right now. But these were the 6 steps to install your Trust Engine optimized for your company and become the #1 trusted voice in your space.